Hello everyone, peace of Christ to all. This is a short video. One of those people in YouTube asked question about what I said about Muhammad. He have or his birth was 4 years after his father's death. You know, if you have my books, you can see all the reference. I have it there in Arabic and translated. And I will try to make it short because it's very easy to prove. You know, and the problem is in Muslim books, it's not our accusation, it is the stupidity of the Muslims. So if the Muslims, their books is stupid, I mean, why they are calling us liars? I mean, Muslims are weird. They write something and then they get angry from them writing in those things. Let us show you some reference. As you see, this is a very Islamic website. All right, this is the address. This is a Muslim website, not my website. Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah. Okay, Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib. Okay, so the biography of Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib. All right, so to make it short for you, here we go. Those two Muslim books agreeing that Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib, he was the son of the grandfather of Muhammad, which means that will make him his uncle according to this story. So here we will see that Muhammad father, who you Muslims you claim he is his father, and his father, which means the grandfather of Muhammad, they have double marriage in the same day. I think the story is very simple to understand. Both of them, the father and his son, they get married in one day. All right, that's wonderful. So when they get married in the same day, and Muhammad in different books it says he stayed with the mother of Muhammad 3. Some they say you know, most of Muslims they say it was 3 months. Some they say it was 3 days. And then he have to go in a trade or a business. So the maximum was 3 months. And supposedly he made her pregnant during that time. He slept with her. Okay, no problem. But then we will find that in Islamic books, Hamza, who is the son of the same married person who married with Muhammad father in the same day, he is 4 years older than Muhammad. To make it simple, let me show you some. Hold on, let us see. There is a book. All right, this is a book. This is a book in English. I'm glad to find it because it's very hard to find those things in English. This is the book of Kitabul Maghazi. All right. In this book, we will see what happened. Here is saying that Hamza was older than the Prophet by 4 years. Do you see it? I know the text is not really so good, but I think it's fine. So Hamza was 4 years older than the Prophet. Okay, so let us calculate the numbers. We have 2 guys, they married in the same day, in the same night. One of them, he died after a few months. So he have a very short period of time to make the woman, his wife, pregnant, because there is no way he will make her pregnant after he died. So if a man he died today, the woman she have maximum of 9 months after that to deliver a son, not to get pregnant after 9 months. She have to be pregnant at the time he die. So she have a maximum of 9 months to deliver a child. After that, there's no way this is the son of the person. So if I marry from a woman and my father or my brother in the same day, and then I die a few months after, then how my son will be born 4 years after the son of my brother or my grandfather or father? The person who I married with him two women in the same day. Are you getting it? So the story is very simple. And if you Muslims, you want to accuse your own stupid stories in your books by, you know, by saying they are liars, they are donkeys, well, all of you are donkeys anyway. This is not my business. But the story is very easy. There's no way Muhammad is born 4 years after Hamza, when both of them, their parents, they married in the same day. It's impossible. That can be possible if, you know, the guy, he is married to the women and they live, and maybe his wife, she was not able to get pregnant right away. But Muhammad's father did not live with her for long. So how she delivered in Muhammad 4 years after her husband's death? So the Muslims who say this is a lie, this is not true, I mean, you Muslims are really, you are really weird. You have a problem, and your problem is your books, and you are trying to get rid of it, but it doesn't work. It's there. And thank God that yes, we are Christians, but we know Arabic, because all those stories was hiding, and if not we speak Arabic, none of you will know about it. Even you Muslims would not even notice. It was us, the Christians, who showed you that this is stupid. This is how it is. It's a stupid. And that is exactly what Islam is about. And it's very obvious that Muhammad's father cannot be this person, the Muslim, they call him Abdullah, for a very simple reason too. Additional reason, how Muslims, they believe that Abdullah is the father of Muhammad, but yet you don't believe in Allah. He will go to hell. There's tons of reasons to believe that this is a false fiction story. I believe strongly the real father of Muhammad is Waraqa ibn Nawfal. Go and read the history of Muhammad. Go read the book of As-Sirah. Go read all the Muslim books. You will find that anytime you look for Muhammad, you find him with Waraqa, even when he was a child. Why Waraqa is so attached to Muhammad? One day Muhammad, he was lost, and everybody, he thought that he was kidnapped, they will never find him again, etc. And then they found him with Waraqa. When Waraqa, he died, what Muhammad tried to do? He tried to commit suicide many times, several times. What kind of relationship between Muhammad and Waraqa, to the point when Waraqa died, he tried to commit suicide? And why Waraqa's sister, she offered the father of Muhammad, according to the Muslim books, you find this in my books. Go and get my books from Amazon, search for Christian Prince, and you will find in Amazon my books. You will find that how the sister of Waraqa, she offered 100 camels to the father of Muhammad to sleep with her when he was going to sleep with Amina, which means in the way to go to Amina. And for sure, I don't believe in the number. I mean, 100 camels. I mean, 100 camels is a lot of money, not only at that time, even now. So, yeah, I'm sure the Muslims exaggerate with the stupidity, the stupid stories they always come with. Maybe she offered him a camel or two. You know, I mean, people at that time is not really rich. So, 100 camel, and that will make the father of Muhammad king, just from effing a woman. Excuse my language. This is how it is. So, she offered 100 camel to sleep with Muhammad's father, and then he said, I will go to Amina, I will do Amina, and I will come back to you. So he went to Amina, he did Amina, and he came back to her, and she said to him, well, I have no need for you. So what all this drama about? Why Waraqa's sister is doing that? Obviously Waraqa, he is dating this woman or sleeping with her, and he don't want anyone to sleep with her, so he sent his sister to, okay, I will find you a different person to sleep with. You want a woman? Here we go, the sister. So as you see, Muslims, you Muslims agree that Muhammad father and Hamza father, they married in the same day. Then both of you agree, all of you agree that Muhammad father did not live with his wife for long. Then you agree then again that Muhammad was born 4 years after Hamza. You tell me how this happened, unless the mother of Muhammad was sleeping around and she was not really married to this man. And I believe all this story is a fiction, the same as everything in Islam. Nobody knows exactly. You see, I believe everything about Islam is a lie. Muhammad, His name is not Muhammad. His real name is Qasim. The father is not Abdullah and cannot be Abdullah for many reasons. The history, everything about Muhammad is a fiction. However, this is what Muslims have, and this is what they believe in. So you deal with it. Your father was born 4 years. Your prophet, he was born 4 years after his father's death. This is why you can go right now and search in YouTube about the period of getting birthnet in Islam. You will find many scholars, they are talking loud and clear that according to Islam, a woman, she can be pregnant up to 4 years. Now, why they come with this number? Why they come with this number? I don't think it come this like this conclusion of 4 years for nothing, but they are trying to cover the issue of Muhammad was born 4 years after that. Otherwise, we never heard of any religion in the world believe that a person, he can or a woman, she can be pregnant 4 years after you know, the death of the man. You know, look at this video here. مدة الحمل في الإسلام. This is Al-Qaradawi. This is the Mufti Al-Azhar, Sheikh Al-Azhar, the highest sheikh in Islam in Egypt. He is saying that the period of getting pregnant or to be pregnant in Islam is 4 years, which means a woman, she can be pregnant even 4 years after being divorced or after being widowed from that man. You know, this is why a woman, she was from I think Sudan, something like that. They wanted to stone her to death for adultery, and then the lawyer, he showed them, you guys, what are you talking about? Her husband, he died just like 16 months ago, and based on the Sharia law, a woman, she can be pregnant for up to 4 years. So she did not commit adultery, so they let her go because she have a time of 4 years. Huh? I'm going to copy those links and post them under the video so people, they can see. You know, this is what it says in Arabic. مدة الحمل المرأة 4 سنوات, and it's not considered to be an adulteress if she brought a baby or if she delivered a baby by the max of 4 years after the, you know, the divorce or or being widow. This is what your religion teaching. So he explained to us how this happened. Those are your biggest scholars who live in this earth today and who knows that this is stupid, still they believe in it because this is what your religion teach, and there's tons of stories in your books speaking about that. So Muslims, don't say we lie. We don't. You do. Everything we speak of is from your books.